கிடைக்க போகுது. Hi ma'am. Hi ma'am. How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine ma'am.
Delay ஆயிடுச்சு. I'm really sorry.
Ma'am ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் ma'am. உங்க busy schedule I know you have tight schedule. So thank you for coming ma'am in spite of your busy schedule. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being very kind ma'am first of all.
Welcome, and it's definitely a pleasure to come on live with you with VIT because I would say in your favorite college I've come as a guest last year.
Sangamam 20. Yes ma'am. How was the experience?
It was one of the best. Like Romba College is a guest but I think it was you guys were so lovely, so innovative, so creative, very talented people, bunch of people. I personally really enjoyed coming there.
Ma'am, people are very crazy about you. Like they were dying to see you, ma'am. They were waiting for you. So thank you so much, ma'am. And how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. I'm good.
Just fun try பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, I must tell you, you're looking gorgeous and you're looking like a doll as usual. You're looking like a doll, ma'am. So I must tell you this.
Thank you so much.
So ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு மேம் இந்த லைவ் நீங்க வந்ததுக்கு. So it is like my immense pleasure to welcome Miss Navy Queen, Miss Karnataka, ever gorgeous, super talented, versatile actor, Miss Parvati Nair to Tamil Literary Association Instagram live Kadipoma. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much, Vanakam. And I have a doubt. Our interview it's supposed to be Tamil பேசணுமா or it's supposed to be in English?
Ma'am, like however உங்களுக்கு தமிழ்ல பேச கம்ஃபர்ட்டபிள்னா தமிழ்ல பேசலாம், இங்கிலீஷ்னா இங்கிலீஷ்.
Maybe a mix is the most comfortable.
Okay ma'am, thank you ma'am. I have உங்களுக்காக ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் திங் இருக்கு ma'am. I have a special தமிழ் கவிதை for you which was written by a club member Mahalakshmi. I'll just tell you. I hope you understand ma'am. முயன்றேன் அழகு என்பதன் மெய்யான பொருளை காண, மேற்கொண்டேன் இணைய வழி பயணம், எழில் வனப்பு நளினம் என ஒன்றை ஒன்று கடந்து செல்லவே அவை அனைத்தும் கூடி நின்றன பார்வதி எனும் நாமத்தில். புதைந்தாய் அழகி எனும் வேடம், புகத்தினோம் நடிகை எனும் பீடம். Hope you understand.
Complicated I think I really want a translation.
Ma'am, since it is in Tamil, I will just summarize it in one sentence. You are a beautiful soul inside and outside. You are very beautiful.
That really means a lot. Whoever wrote that, thank you so much. That really touched my heart and so much love to you. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. So, ma'am, in our life, everybody's life, after parents, teachers plays a vital role. Nethu vandu Teachers Day. So, tell us about which teacher you cannot forget in your life, and what is the lesson you have learned from them?
To be honest, I think more than எல்லாருக்கும் ஸ்கூல்லும் காலேஜ்லும் their friends will be like the most important. Correct la? Teachers comes after that. For me it was the other way around. Like school it was my teachers who really meant the most to me, more than my friends. Like even today I can say my parents mean more to me more than my friends. I love my friends of course, but parents come first. And of course, for me, teachers come first, the same way. Especially, I mean, college konja spoiled because I was distracted with modeling and acting ellame. But school times, my teachers really made me everything. And when I left my school that I was studying in Abu Dhabi, என்னோட teachers எனக்கு gift கொடுத்திருக்கு. And I think that is history. Like, like something with platinum and stuff like that. Another favorite maths teacher, Reena ma'am, who's on my Facebook, but I don't think she's on my Instagram. So she has given me a gift, and I was supposed to give her a gift, and I still have it. It's still in the most beautiful jewelry set, and so I was that kind of student. I was every teacher's favorite student, and இன்னைக்கு நான் இப்போ ஒரு ஆக்ட்ரஸா இருக்குதுக்கு ரீசனோ I think it's my teachers because I once street play solli or competition in the all UAE level street play competition where our school came first and I got the best actor. Annike ennoda English teacher Mrs. Datta, she was a Bengali. She came up to me and she said, Parvati, you should be in Bollywood. Aprita, this was the line that she used. And I was this tomboyish person with short hair, like boy cut hair tha enak school la irundhathu. So I was like, I didn't even like, I thought it's a joke. But at some point it somewhere went inside my head, and this was around 6th standard or something. So 10th standardly I got an offer, something to do with TV and stuff, 10th vacation la, and things grew from there. But I think my school teachers, especially the ones from Abu Dhabi, of course, the ones, I've studied in 2-3 different schools. India padichirukku about 3 years. Even those teachers mean a lot. But I cannot forget the teachers from Abu Dhabi. They were, I think, half the reason of anything I am today, are my teachers. And including my mother. Ennoda ammavu ennoda school oru teacher ah irundhathu, because those days in Abu Dhabi, she was bored being a housewife, and she has 2 master's degrees. So adanala she was also an English teacher in the school. She was not my teacher, but
Okay.
she was everybody's favorite teacher, like whoever taught her. So I think chinna vayasula in the question keta, what do you want to be in life? Maybe you're a first standard, second standard. I used to want to be a teacher. Now pillows alla inge vechu, I used to keep like a blackboard and duster or chalk ellame vechu. I used to imagine the pillows are the students, and I used to like literally teach the pillows, and that's how I used to study. My technique of learning was that. And I was a very studious, nerdy student. I totally different from what you see Ippo. I was a very, very nerdy student. I always wanted to come first in class. The second vandale romba depression varum. Like in the first half one, my best friend was the one who was always competing with me. So this used to happen. So I was a very studious student. I was the head girl of my school. I was the topper in 10th. So I think my teachers really mean the world to me. Like even more than my friends I had in school, I think it's my teachers. And more than school friends, I think more teachers are on my Facebook as as my Facebook friends. My teachers. So some special teachers, like I said, like Reena ma'am, I can never forget. And a lot of beautiful, amazing teachers that I had in my career who really, really, really mean a lot.
மேம் தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் ஷேரிங் திஸ் அமேசிங் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். லைக் எல்லாருக்குமே வந்து அவங்களோட ஸ்கூல் லைஃப்ல ஞாபகம் வர மாதிரி வச்சுட்டீங்க மேம். அண்ட் மேம் நீங்க சொன்னீங்க you're not that kind now. So I want to ask this question. Tommy girl Parvati to Parvati at present. Tell us about the transformation, ma'am.
See, even I am still a tomboy. Or a denim jacket, and I didn't even use a comb. I just tied my hair roughly because you wanted to keep the interview at 5, and I was on a work call, some upcoming work, or important call, so I couldn't cut that call because it was a Zoom meeting call, and we were having a discussion on it. So adanala I really had to postpone, and I just came rushing. So trying to keep
it means a lot. Seriously, it means a lot. Thanks for coming.
So I still have those elements now. If veetla paathano, or if you know me personally, I'm still, I think, very much a tomboy when it comes to my choices of everything, be it music, or be it friends, be it what we do. I think I'm very unlike a lot of other people. I'm not saying this is good, this is bad. It's your perspective, but I'm very different from, I think, the rest of the acting community itself in my choices. The choices patha, it's very different. Maybe enakku pudicha script won't be the script that a lot of people might think works. So I don't choose a movie thinking, oh, in the movie kandipa hit adanal I have to do this film. It's never been that way. And I cannot say all my movies did great. There were a lot of movies which were very, very average in the box office. A lot of movies I got a lot of credit for. Of course, appreciation comes for acting, whether the film does well or not. Yes. But hit films are not my favorite films. I'm just being very honest. So I am different that way. I'm not somebody who is trying to look for scripts to make that hit, to be the top star, the highest paid actor. No, I think I've earned more from my endorsements than my films. In fact, I have endorsed so many products, so many things, including sports and stuff like that. And so yeah, So I'm very different. I do what satisfies my heart and what keeps me happy. And others opinions don't really matter, because I many times I get criticism. இதனால இந்த ரோல் பண்ணிருக்கு, இதனால இந்த film choose பண்ணிருக்கு, should have done that instead, if you should have done this instead. But the good thing is அப்பா அம்மாவோட support எப்பவுமே இருக்கு. They are like, okay, do what makes you happy. So that is a good thing. So they are like, really really supportive with what I do. They are very proud of my choices, because they think நான் choose பண்ண options, at least they're classy films. I work with classiest of directors and good production houses, good teams. So the last thing I care about is the box office. Of course, box office matters to get more projects, to increase your salary. Of course, that matters. Like I said, but adukku na எப்பவுமே priority கொடுக்கல. I was very optimistic that kandipa, because if I perform well in this film, something good is going to come, and that's always happened. It's always happened. So last year especially, I did more endorsements than films. Tamil la oru release kuda illa last year. It was my dull year in terms of movies, but it was my happiest year in my career, because I endorsed the T10 League for Abu Dhabi. I was a brand ambassador to Abu Dhabi, the place where I'm born and brought up, and it's such a big league, and very happy with that. I endorsed Japanese Airlines ANA, which is an international brand. I shot for 83 in London. Angio, I did a couple of endorsements, H&M and another brand, designer brand in London. The number of like amazing. I attended the Indian Film Festival of Ireland, where couple of my movies were screened. I think these are the biggest achievements ever. I think South London, no actor has even gone to Indian Film Festival of Ireland. And sometimes I really think, I'm really blessed to even get these opportunities. So Inge, like maybe Tamil audience perspective, because I don't do too much PR on my social media, and of course when a picture is good, I put it up. When I like a function, I put up a story or something, but it's not like I keep talking about it a lot. But so sometimes people ask, oh, last year only panlaya, last year either. So but for me, my best year was last year. And the kind of, see, everything depends on the kind of crowd you want, like who you want as your followers, your friends. I'm very specific. I'm not trying to impress the world. I think that's number one. You need to make yourself content and impress yourself. For me, of course, parents matter a lot. Sometimes I go beyond my choices and not do certain things thinking amma ku idu pidikadu adanal I won't do it. For example, or a movie with a kissing scene, and which I've got earlier, and I personally think if a scene goes with the movie, of course it can be done. If it's like if it goes with the script, there's nothing wrong with it. But appa amma எப்பவுமே கொஞ்சம் ஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்டா இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி க்ளோத்ஸ் வேணாம், இந்த மாதிரி சீன்ஸ் வேணாம். ஸோ சம்டைம்ஸ் because I love them so much, I go with them. But there is no other third person apart from dad and mom that I even like care an opinion about. I don't care about criticisms or on social media. People are like, in the movie miss pannirukku, that was a hit. It really doesn't matter to me. I'm more about keeping myself content, and I think that is the road to success. I think slow and steady wins the race. I'm really like, I mean, some people say, என்ன இருந்தால் பண்ணிட்டு 5 years ஆச்சு, how come you're not yet a top star or a like one of the top stars, top southern star of the industry and all that. But that's what I said, my way is not that. My way was never to like, when will I become the top thing. It was all about being content about teams. I walked out of projects which I didn't like. I walked out of teams I didn't like. So I think self-satisfaction and happiness matters a lot, because peace of mind illama, I don't think you can enjoy anything you're doing. So I love my work. At the same time, I'm choosy about yaar kuda work pannanum, yaar kuda work panna vena. In the madri script will make you satisfied. In the madri roles will make you satisfied. All these things really matter a lot. So and I think people who have like people who I can relate to, or who I want as friends, or who I connect to, they understand this and they respect this. So I have a bunch of friends who always kept appreciating me for my choices and my work, and those are the people I want. எனக்கு அது போதும். Like I would not want to, change the opinion of another person, who thinks differently, because எல்லாருடைய opinions differ, right? No two people will have the same kind of opinions on anything. So yeah, so this is yeah, my
Ma'am,
point of view.
such inspiring story, ma'am. Seriously telling, such inspiring story. Ma'am, எங்கள மாதிரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து இந்த மாதிரி story gives a lot of courage and like we have to do something. Slow and steady wins the matter. You told in an interview like, I may achieve things slowly, but one day I will achieve. Being patient is more important. So ஒரு இன்டர்வியூல நீங்க சொல்லிருப்பீங்க. So it is very inspiring, ma'am. Seriously. And you are a positive person. Like or engineer to model to actress, it is not an easy journey. You have come through a lot of struggles in your life, but you are a very optimistic person still. How, ma'am, how it is possible? Like எப்படி மேம் இப்படி இருக்க முடியுது? எவ்வளவு நடந்தாலும் you are very optimistic. You are having the smile on your face always. So it's not easy task, right?
See, I am definitely a very optimistic person. I am practical, optimistic. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் impatience இருக்கும். I know it is important to be patient, but sometimes I lose my patience. It happens to everybody. Like some point of time, you'll suddenly just burst out. But I think the root cause of my stability, like you said, ups and downs in the I totally agree that I've had ups and downs in my career. Sometimes the film which you thought will give you the most mileage was not the movie that gave you mileage. Sometimes something you didn't expect did better for you. So it keeps changing. I think the main reason that I am optimistic and stable is my family. Like I'm very proud that I come from an educated family. I'm very proud that I'm educated. I've done my engineering from MIT, which is a great college. My dad's an engineer, mom's educated, my brother's an engineer, and he's into sports, doing really well for himself. I don't know, for generations that I can think of, I come from a very educated background, and I think that has helped me a lot. It has really helped me a lot because my parents keep me very stable. I'm never insecure because, yeah, touch wood, I come from a well-off family. So, the salary of my movies or what I make from the film industry was never, my bread and butter. And so maybe that is one thing, that really matters a lot. I think somebody in my place for whom, every job matters, every role matters, the family has to survive with that money. I think it's a bigger struggle. So for me, in terms of career, of course, I've had loads of ups and downs, but I think otherwise I've been blessed with having amazing parents. You know how my parents are? Like, appa amma solluvaanga, who cares about this? If this doesn't work, it's okay. Like, leave it. Oh, and the set pudikilla, leave it. Come out. Appi, which parent will give you that courage? They will say it doesn't really matter. Yaare impress panna vena. If you don't like that project, come out. If you don't like that team, this thing. If you don't want to do this movie, it's okay. It's all about my happiness to them and my satisfaction to them. And they're like, there were times in my life I'm like, I told my parents, maybe I shouldn't have chosen acting. Maybe I should have just, probably done an MBA or started my own business or something like that. But there were times like that. You almost feel like giving up when something or the other goes wrong. But on the ella times, my parents were my strength. And I'm sure there are a lot of other people who have friends for strength or their life partners for their strength. So I think that is very important. Having people in your life, you should never be a lonely person. You need your friends or your your life partner or your siblings or your parents. I think for me, it's my parents. That no matter what happens in films, we are there for you. We will make sure your life is great. So, under confidence, nalada, I could just go ahead, choose what I want to do, choose what I don't want to do, and like still be cool about it. So I think that's really, really because of my parents, and I have so much gratitude for that.
Ma'am, parents support இருந்தா like என்ன வேணாலும் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்றது வந்து you have to.
I think that changes your life. I think
yes,
that matters the most. Yes.
Ma'am, I know this question would have been asked for like 1 million times, etc. But even after that, ma'am, people are dying to hear. Ma'am, like in comments, like about Adit sir, ask about Adit sir. Like I know, ma'am, like whatever interview you do, without Adit sir question, it would have been not there. And I saw your post, like in Instagram post, there is a hashtag called Tala Ajit Photography. Shoot NAR in that, like you have posted a picture. Tell us about that picture, ma'am. How close to your heart, and tell us about the experience you had with Ajit sir, ma'am.
See, without any doubt, the same answer that I've given 1 million times earlier, the favorite co-actor has been Talajit sir. He was the best person I worked with because I learned so much from him. Not just because of my photos. He, of course, the best photos are by him, but that is not the only reason or the main reason. I think he's an amazing human being, and எனக்கு ரொம்ப advice that to being a beginner in the industry, being very naive. I really hardly, because I don't come from a film background, so adanal I think the kind of suggestions he gave me, the kind of things he gave me, really, I think even today என்னோட அப்பா கொஞ்சம் suggestions கொடுத்திருந்தது when I got into films. Do this if you like, but be ready to face these challenges. And the same advices I got from Talajit. So I sort of feel like he's my family or something like that. ஒரு family member கொடுத்த மாதிரி I have the same, I got the same sort of suggestions from him. So I find him a very genuine human being and very humble, because I see some actors who have done nothing. Maybe they have done TV, maybe they have done some small role in a film, and I hear like I've literally like a lot of things that a lot of them think that they're huge stars, and see Tala Ajit, who's such a huge star himself. He's had so many. He's had a rough journey. He really struggled a lot. He's really worked hard to become what he is today. Adukapram, the simplicity he has as a human being is what I really love. And I think idella periya stars ku irukum. And I think the reason he's a big star, or anybody's a big star, is I think their simplicity and genuineness. It really plays a role. It really plays a role. And from there I have learned. So I think 5 years munadi neenga oru interview, if you speak to me, or today, or even 5 years later, I can guarantee you that I want to be the same person. I'm going to answer the same way. That is because the best quality I learned from them is about their simplicity and their amazing nature. So I really look up to him. And whenever I meet a great personality like him, I try to learn something about them. And from Ajit sir, it was life rumba amazing lessons, and his simplicity as a person. Zero tantrum, zero stardom. He doesn't show around any attitude. He's so sweet to everybody, and he was amazing to me. So yeah.
Ma'am, commentல இருக்கவங்களா வந்து they would have screamed like something hearing Ajit sir name, and they would be very happy, like you are telling about Ajit sir. Like people would be very happy for that. Ma'am, here is a funny task or rapid fire question. நான் உங்ககிட்ட வந்து நீங்க நடிச்ச படங்களோட கேரக்டர் நேம் சொல்றேன். You have to tell like one sentence about that, like one word up. For example, Elizabeth. That is a character you played in NAR Arindal. So what is the one thing comes to your mind when you hear that character name?
So Elizabeth, I think the first word that comes to my mind would be love. For most of you, I think எனக்கு appreciation கிடைச்சது, or my nominations for that movie was because of a strong negative role.
Yes,
but I think love was the main thing which made Elizabeth. Arun, the character Arun Vijay played Victor.
Yes.
So his wife and his love before the marriage also they showed, and the scenes in where he comes out of jail and he comes and hugs me, and so I think the main thing is love. There were a lot of scenes which couldn't be shown finally in the movie. I shot for many days because of obviously ella movies lo editing and trimming irukom, movie cannot be too long, so we lost on some of the scenes, but we had really emotional scenes between me and Arun Vijay. So they sort of tried to show why you come from certain background. That's why I said we cannot judge anybody. Like the background you come from really makes you go through certain circumstances. And the madri Lisa or Elizabeth, she's from the slums, and she's in love with Arun Vijay, the Arun Vijay's character Victor, and she would do anything for Victor. Ellam Victor ka hai, like And the person who cheated Victor in the name of friendship, though he is the hero of the film,
Yes.
I went against him at the end. So personally, if you ask me, I love Ajit, but then Lisa hated, the police officer Satya because of what he did to Victor. That there was betrayal. So obviously, I think friendship will betrayal irukakudadu. You should stand by people, right? So yeah, love is the main in the first word which comes to my head.
நீங்க நடிச்ச படத்தோட கேரக்டர்ஸ் எவ்ரி கேரக்டர் இஸ் வெரி ஆப்போசிட் டு யூ லைக் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் டெரேசா இன் வேலராஜா வெள்ளைராஜா சாரி அண்ட் மோகினி கோழிட்டேடங்களை நெருப்புக இட் இஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் ஆப்போசிட் ஆஃப் யுவர் ஒரிஜினல் நேச்சர் மேம். ஸோ எப்படி கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சா அந்த மாதிரி கேரக்டர்ஸ் நடிக்கிறதுக்கு?
You're very true, especially I think Tamil நான் பண்ண மூவிஸ்லாம் the roles have been so contrary to my my personality or character or experiences because like I didn't really grow up in India, so imagine a whole new body language had to be adopted for Yenir and Dal and or any of the village films for that matter. So I think it's challenging and it's more interesting when you do different things. See, and it's easier if I get like a role which is like the real life Parvati. That's easier because I can connect to the role and maybe like I can understand that role better. But I think, and as an actor, you should be able to do everything. So be it a village girl, be it negative role irundalo or action role irundalo, whatever it is. And South la or problem enna we don't really prepare for our projects. See, for a Bollywood movie paatha, I think this is something which should really come to the South. They prepare literally for 6 months for a role or a year for a role. Be it any top actor there, be it an Alia Bhatt, be it an Anushka Sharma, be it a Deepika, like ellarku or preparation irukku for a role like before. That's why they perform so well. And அந்த மாதிரி இங்கே ஒரு ரோலோட கன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கிடைக்குது இட்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் லிட்டரலி 2 days before the shoot, so we don't really get to prepare. So I always wished that I got to know earlier about a film and I got the chance to prepare for it. So this happened once that in Malayalam, this was maybe about 1.5 years ago. This was with one of the biggest stars in Malayalam. I got a call the evening before. Maybe somebody got replaced or something. And that was you learn with your experience. Okay, starting like you wouldn't know the right scripts or the way to prepare. You learn only with time. So that time I didn't know much about this, but I said no to the project and the people were shocked. They're like, in the actor like it was not about the actor, but can you, like when I spoke to the team, I don't want to mention who and anything, they were still scripting the role. Like where is the scope to prepare or get into that character? There's no scope. So next day shoot next day I had to be in Cochin. I had to start shooting for the film. When I said, okay, can you tell me 3 major scenes of my character? They were saying like post scripting director change. Like I mean that project went through a lot of ups and downs due to various reasons. Director got changed and all that. So they're saying they're still writing the thing. So I felt personally I wouldn't have been able to justify the role. That was such a big film, a huge budget film, without any preparation time, without even knowing what the role is. But maybe 3 years before, in the same opportunity, I would have said, yeah, I will do it, and I would have run to the shoot in the excitement that wow, I'm working with this director and this star. But I think beyond that right now, I want to justify and I want to do justice to what I do, which is why I literally like took a break for a bit, almost a year without doing Tamil films. Though I was doing other work, of course, Tamil is different than a script, something which excites me. Sometimes you need patience. Like I said, patience is the word. Right. So I actually patiently waited for better things to come up. So you need to do that, and you need to be mentally prepared for that role, and that is when you have sustenance or I think life as an actor. Yes. If you are a passionate actor, sorry, a call had come. If you're a passionate actor and acting is something you really love, I think you should be able to justify your roles, should be able to justify your films. Namesake, like what
Mm.
because a lot of my, I'm personally not happy with all the projects that I've taken up. Like I said, இப்போ on the same choices vanda, maybe I wouldn't have taken up some of those movies. Not because of it being a hit or not being a hit. It's about how content you are. எனக்கு ஒரு satisfaction கிடைச்சிருக்கா as an actor. Was I able to deliver my best for this role? So I think unless that happens, you're not satisfied as an actor, and that's why I am more careful now about choosing a movie.
Ma'am, actually, it is very inspiring, ma'am. Seriously, I'm telling you, நீங்க பேசுறதுமே ஒரு மாதிரி இன்ஸ்பைரிங்கா ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கு மேம். லைக் தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் ஷேரிங் எவ்ரி திங். தேங்க்யூ மேம். அண்ட் மேம் வி ஆர் வெரி அவைட்டட் ஃபார் திஸ் மூமெண்ட். அண்ட் எங்களோட கிளப் வெப்சைட்டை வந்து நீங்க லான்ச் பண்றதுக்காக தான் இவ்வளோ நேரம் லைக் வி ஆர் வெரி வெயிட்டிங் ஃபார் தட் மூமெண்ட். ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் டூ த ஹானர்ஸ் ஃபார் தஸ் மேம். லைக்
Oh, sure, sure. All the best for your club, and
அண்ட்
I hope it does great. And I was, like I said, VIT. I think Ninglala, you guys are very lucky to be studying in such a wonderful college, because I remember when I had a choice of college, my parents were choosing between MIT and VIT. Okay, so so I know how amazing a college VIT is. So I think all of you who are studying there, you guys are lucky to be even, lucky to be a part of that college, lucky to be there in that college. So all the very best. I'm sure everything will go well. I will not forget. Like, see, for me, எனக்கு ஒரு ethic இருக்கு. Like, I don't forget good moments, bad moments, and where I really owe gratitude to people. And I remember you guys flew me down from Dubai for your college fest,
எஸ்
and
மேம். தேங்க்யூ.
you guys booked my tickets. You guys did everything, and you guys gave me the best possible experience I think any college has given me. I think VIT was the best. So thank you so much. So I want you guys to, like, you know reach to heights, and I hope the club does really well. I love you all. Thank you for the warmth. Thank you for that amazing welcome. I'll never forget, and waiting to come back again to VIT and meeting all of you.
We are waiting
That's
for that moment. We are dying to see you in our events, ma'am. Ma'am, will
Thank
you
you.
show that website in your tablet, like if it is possible? Like,
Okay.
I'll just
Yeah, 1 second. Just give me a
yes, ma'am.
minute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Um, guys, one sec. Just a second, guys. Ma'am வந்துருவாங்க. கைஸ் மேம் வந்துருவாங்க. லைக் லேப் எடுக்க பிசி எடுக்க போயிருக்காங்க. ஸோ வருவாங்க. வெயிட் கைஸ். Ma'am is coming. Thank you, ma'am.
So yes, I hope this is clear.
Yes,
Because I
ma'am.
thought
Yes, ma'am.
more than a laptop, this is.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am,
It
thank you
looks
for being.
amazing. All the very best, and very happy to launch this. Very proud to launch this. So, yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for being very patient, kind-hearted, and your story is such inspiring story, ma'am. I'm telling you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Live la இருக்கறதுனால சொல்ல, but your story is very inspiring for me personally because நிறைய research பண்ணும்போது I found you as a very inspiring person for me. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for being very patient and kind-hearted.
It was lovely talking to you too.
Thank you, ma'am, and all the best for your future projects. And we are dying to see you in the big screens, ma'am. We are dying to see you.
Sure.
And thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Take care.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.